Hello, third graders. This is Miss LeBeau here to help you correct your quiz. Now, what I've just discovered is that each of you take different quizzes, so the quiz I'm showing you might be yours, or it might be one with just different numbers in them. So, if you don't remember the numbers, the process is the same. The type of problem is the same. So hopefully that will help you know what you did incorrectly, if you got any of them incorrect. Okay, we need to start off with a joke. Why doesn't the US switch to the metric system overnight? Okay, let's start with number one. Number one, what would be the better unit to use to specify the mass of a large truck, grams or kilograms? The answer is A, kilograms. Okay, number two. What would be the better unit to use to specify the volume of water you can put in a water balloon? Liters or milliliters? The answer to this one is milliliters, as most water balloons are something you can fit in your hand, and it's less than a liter, then you would probably put milliliters. I did notice that some of the problems asked how much water could you put in the palm of your hand or hold in your mouth, and those obviously would probably be milliliters, as a liter bottle is like a 1 liter is a 32 ounce, as close to a 32 ounce water bottle. Number three, a pack of 8 markers weighs 48 grams. How much does 1 marker weigh in grams? 1 marker would weigh, and for this problem would weigh 6 grams, because I had to divide 48 divided by 8 equals 6, and then we are working on grams, so I make sure we do the same one. Number 4. It takes 11 liters of paint to paint the house. Marco used 7 liters so far. How many more liters of paint will Marco need to finish painting the house? This is a subtraction problem, so 11 minus 7 equals 4, and our measure is liters. 4 liters. Solve. A boy with a mass of 60 kilograms is riding on a surfboard with a mass of 5 kilograms. What is the mass of the boy and surfboard all together? The mass of the boy and the surfboard would be adding them together, so they would be 65 kilograms. Okay, the answer to the joke, why can't the US switch to the metric system overnight? Here's the answer. Because there'd be mass confusion.